Hey y'all, hey, hope all is well with you. I am Leslie of Let's Say Creations, coming to you with another alteration. So I am in the process of working on this dress. Excuse me. I am on the process of working on this dress, and I'm going to tell you some things that I've already done and some of the things I still need to do on this dress. So it's a more of an umpire waist dress. It may look like it sits lower, but it doesn't. It's an umpire waist kind of dress. It basically fits right underneath the bust. Floor length, a little bit of a trumpet kind of style. It does swoop out, not as much as I normally would, but it still works. It has a lace overlay satin lining underneath. Princess darts on the dress. Well, one side is, the other side isn't. I just noticed that. Anyway, what else? Anyway, so originally it did have this fullness that's over here on this side. It originally was down the front. I moved it so it looked better and didn't add additional weight or fullness to the belly area. I actually had to let it out about an inch in the waistline area on the side seams so that we could zip it. It zipped otherwise, like the top and the bottom, but at this point it was just a little tight. I've already shortened it. She will be wearing flats with this dress due to an injury, so she's still going to the event, but she needs to wear flat shoes. So I've already shortened it. The lining and the lining and the lace is pretty much the same length. The lining may be a little bit shorter, just a little bit. I removed the sleeve on here. I didn't like the way it laid. She wasn't able to pull the dress on properly. So I'm going to recreate it with the crystal organza. This is the original fabric or the look of the sleeve. It kind of looked like that. I didn't like how it laid, so I am going to go ahead and kind of figure out another way to do the sleeve and still incorporate some of the bling on it, and it will have a cuff. What else? I will be putting a strap on this side to allow her to be able to wear a regular bra. I will use this material because I'm not putting this all over the sleeve. I will use the lace and a crystal organza combined together to make a strap to fit on that side. And then the other thing that I've already done, which is I extended the zipper. A lot of times you may get dresses that they do not go all the way down, and it wasn't easy for her to step into. So I actually extended it so it's easily, so we can avoid pulling it across her head. And I think that's pretty much it. So I will drop a picture of the finished garment at the very end of this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for looking. Y'all have a good day. Woo-hoo!